I start on the coarse side. It's not science. Pick an angle that you can hold. All we're doing right now, it's gonna be messed up trying to do this. All we're doing right now is trying to form a bevel on the side facing you. So I'm gonna run this through here. Keep a decent angle the whole time. Again, no science, nothing like that. All I'm doing is establishing my bevel that I like, which is the way I hold my hand. And then we're going to knock that bevel off. I use pretty good pressure in the beginning, and I just lighten it up as I go. And I'll go to my fine side. Then I go to my steel. Again, it's nothing science. I know all those little things really help people maintain a good angle. I'm not the most technical of people. Let me check how much time's on here. So I just do what I do, and it works for me. That's the thing with sharpening, in my opinion. You need to find what works for you. I think each person's going to be different, unless you get some sort of sharpening, $100 sharpening system device, which I would never really put out because I think sharpening is easier. You know, I never really recommend to people. Only because you could spend that money on arrows or broadheads or a new bow. But if you can't sharpen, you can't sharpen. There you go. It's as easy as that was. I don't know if y'all can see the hair. That's how I sharpen a broadhead. I don't do the file stuff. And my edges last just fine.